Hello, 大家 welcome to our business. You are the first time come to our showroom. What do you think our showroom decoration or everything?
This is my first time coming to the showroom. It's fantastic. It's nice, clear. The lighting is very attractive. You can see everything you want to see, and you can make a valuable choice. You can choose with your peace of mind. I come with my friends. One of them is a civil engineer. He appreciated a lot the showroom from top to bottom. So he might even come and talk to you, tell you what he feels about your product. That's why we spend too much time here, because we stopped by a lot of factories, but here we spend a lot of time. We're about even to have lunch inside.
How about do you think you check our showroom everything, the quality or the design?
The quality is attractive, but the technicians might verify it. But us, on the top of our eyes, it's good. It's top notch.
Okay, thank you your support.